I'm now approaching Tower 3. So here's Tower 3 as of right now. Looks like we have some fireproofing work starting on the back, but really nothing too significant. So fireproofing work is starting. Other welding operations are being done inside, but nothing significant. Here's the back of Tower 3. Again, it looks like fireproofing work is being done. Welding work, concrete. Doing some, I don't know what they're doing in there, but they're hammering something. Oh, what is this? We have something being done at the transit hub. This finally, it looks like the beginning of outside work. All right. This is officially the beginning of street level work for the transportation hub. For the longest time, work's been done underground for the transit hub, but this is the start of the outside structure. This is the very beginning of it. So this will start the external structure of the transportation hub, which will serve PATH trains and New York subways. Here's a look at the crane for Tower 3, but it's not doing anything right now. And here's Tower 4 with a very completed look. yes, this is the transit hub, the start of it externally. Now we need to look and see that continue. So here's Tower 2's work as of now. Still nothing significant. Minor duct work. Oh, there's a part of the communications ring going up. That's part of the third communications ring. Here's another look at the transportation hub beams being installed. And there's the entire podium section of Tower 3 and a completed looking Tower 4. Still a lot to do internally though. But this is how it's going to look. Here's Tower 2. Again, minor work, nothing significant, but minor progress is being done. It looks like there's another piece over there also for the transportation hub. So that's another section. So that's another section. So I'm going to say right now that there is very significant progress done on the transit hub right now. And will start to take shape within the next few months. Tower 3 again, still waiting for a tenant. Very close to finding one, but nothing is final. But again, as soon as a tenant is found, Tower 3 will continue to its full 80 stories. Once a tenant is found for Tower 2, it will continue to its full 88 stories. My guess would be, if everything goes good, Towers 2 and 3 will be up by 2016, 2017, 2018 at the latest. But we still need to wait. Let's continue. Church Street and Vesey Street. One World Trade Center with the completed glass on the eastward face, northeast. What I think is going on with the base cladding is that they're going to install up to the construction elevator, skip over, and continue around. There's no glass can be added where the elevators are right now. that needs to be dismantled first. Here's a look at the X steel and Tower 3's podium. There are the X steel beams. Tower 4. Here's Tower 2.